Hi everyone, I'm Sam, and I'm here to show you one of our latest foldables, the Galaxy Z Flip7. This is the thinnest flip ever, bringing pocketability to a whole new level. And this incredibly slim device boasts a host of new AI features, plus a fantastic 50-megapixel camera. The Galaxy Z Flip7 is a pocket-perfect AI phone, and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's go.
Hey, check it out.
Yeah, it's cool. But like, am I really a flip kind of guy?
Hey guys, how can I help you?
He fully needs a Flip7. He just doesn't know it yet.
Sounds like you're a flip fan then. Well, I promise the new one will blow your mind. Take a look.
I mean, it's cool how small and pocket-sized it is. It's like super thin.
Bro, this is the thinnest flip phone ever.
Yeah, it feels good to hold like this. And I guess for a full screen, I just open it up.
Exactly. It can be regular sized when you need it and compact when you don't. The best of both worlds.
It's funny, when you open it, it's just like a regular phone, just an incredibly slim one. And you can't even tell that it folds in half.
But it does. And look at this. Cover screen now goes edge to edge.
It's the slimmest bezel yet. And this expanded flex window means you can do more without even having to open the phone. Plus, you can customize the display.
I'd have a new cover screen every day.
Yeah, I'm starting to get it. But how's that battery though? Does it have enough juice to get me through the whole day at school?
The Galaxy Z Flip7 has a bigger battery than ever before. That, combined with better power efficiency, means you'll enjoy the longest battery life of any Galaxy Z Flip phone.
Wow, all of that is packed into this tiny thing.
It's really sleek.
Sleek and durable. The Galaxy Z Flip7's ArmorFlex hinge and display panel have been completely redesigned. The high-strength materials we've used make it thin and light, but also strong.
Hey, sounds good to me. No further questions.
Well, except your original question. Are you a flip kind of guy?
You know what? I think I am. Thanks for your help.
Hey there. What brings you here today?
Well, everyone's talking about the Galaxy Z Flip7 and all its AI features, so I had to take a look.
You can do more than look. This has Gemini Live, which means you can have a natural conversation about anything you like.
What, just have a casual chat with my phone?
Exactly. Let's see how it can help you make some fun plans.
I'm actually planning a trip to Prague. Could it suggest any gigs there?
Sure. You can do all this on the FlexWindow. Just long press the side button, tap Gemini Live, and ask away.
I'm a big fan of soul music and R&B. Are there any upcoming gigs in Prague?
Absolutely. Prague has a vibrant R&B and soul scene. Could you tell me what time of year you're interested in?
Probably going there in the next couple of months. What would you recommend?
I'd say check out what's on at Noir Notes Club. Or, if you're there on August the 22nd, the Nocturne Room has a rhythm and blues night. Do either of those sound good?
Yeah, that last one sounds interesting. Can you put this event in the calendar?
Sure thing. I've added the rhythm and blues night at the Nocturne Room to your calendar.
That's so impressive!
That's just the start. With Gemini Live, you can also...
Oh, look, he's so cute. I wonder what breed he is.
Just ask the phone.
May I? I love dogs.
Sure.
Hey, boy.
Just long press the side button, tap Gemini Live, then activate the camera. Now, Gemini can see what you see. So ask away.
This dog is so cute. What breed is it?
That's a Jack Russell Terrier. Did you have any questions about the breed?
Yeah! What's his personality like?
Jack Russells are energetic, playful, and intelligent dogs. Is there anything specific you'd like to know?
Are they easy to train, and what sort of commands should I use?
Jack Russells are smart, but patience and consistency are key. Start with basic commands like sit, stay, and come.
This is so cool.
I see it every day and it still impresses me.
Sit! Good boy!
Want to see more?
Yeah, let's go.
So one of my favorite things is called the Now Brief.
The Now Brief.
It shows you everything you need to know at, well, now, right on the Flex window, so you don't even need to open it. Now Brief pulls information from your calendar, news, other connected apps, and even devices like Galaxy Watch.
And it's all customized specifically for me.
Exactly.
It's like having my own personal assistant, who also happens to be an expert on dogs.
Hey, how can I help?
So I need a phone that takes good pics, especially selfies.
Have you thought of the Galaxy Z Flip7?
I love the look, but man, it's so small. Is the camera any good?
The Galaxy Z Flip7 is small, but it packs a 50 megapixel camera, unlike any other. Want to go test it out?
Yeah, sure. Hey, thanks for watching, man.
No problem.
He's a Jack Russell Terrier, right?
How'd you know?
I was with the job. So one of the best things about the Galaxy Z Flip7 is how the 50 megapixel camera works with the next-gen Pro Visual Engine. Together, they do some amazing things.
Yeah? Like what?
Like AI zoom.
Go play, Charlie.
You know how a digital zoom normally gets all blurry and pixelated? Well, an AI zoom lets you scale up the image and still have details super sharp and clear.
Wow, you can see just about every little hair on this fur ball.
Now check this out. Thanks to the flip design, you can actually use the same main camera to take selfies, which are absolutely pro level. You can even control the zoom precisely with one hand, so it's easy to make sure everyone's in the shot.
Nice.
Yeah. The Galaxy Z Flip7 recognizes when you've taken a selfie, then automatically sharpens the image and enhances details like hair and skin.
This makes me look crazy good. Yeah, you look good too.
What a handsome boy. And especially thanks to the Galaxy Z Flip7.
I think I found my new best friend. After Charlie, of course.
And there you have it. The Galaxy Z Flip7, your pocket-perfect AI phone. It's not only the thinnest Galaxy Z Flip ever, it also boasts the very latest AI technology and a pro-level camera. Whether you're new to foldables or already a fan, the Galaxy Z Flip7 is worth the look. Check it out at your nearest Samsung store. Thanks for watching. See you next time.